Yeah, so we have large cosmological data sets. These are simulations that we've run that then we need to store the outputs of these simulations for further analysis. So we have large amounts of data there. We also have many users on our system. So it's an international system. It's used by people worldwide. And so they all have their own codes, their own software stacks and things on the system. So what we were looking for a few years ago was a way that we could do several things. We wanted to have a secure way of backing up data, so for particularly the what we call the home space data, so their source files and things like that, and that so we wanted some way of making sure that if they deleted their stuff by mistake or there was a disaster with the file system, we had a way of restoring their data from a very recent period in time. We were also looking at more long-term data curation, so a long-term archive of some of these cosmological data sets. And some of the systems that we had been using were getting a bit old, were not supported anymore. And of course, with that comes a risk of not being able to restore hardware if things break and so on. And so we started, we were very interested in the Atempo solution. And so we started working with Atempo to see how that could meet our needs. And basically what we do now is we use the Atempo Miria software to not only back up our home space, so that user source files and small things are kept safe. So we every night we're able to back up their home space with that, but we also then are able to use a large tape archive to archive these large cosmological data sets.